With the changing social norms of legitimacy in every society, including ours, what was illegitimate in the past may be legitimate today. Hello, I'm Mitali Singh and I'm currently working as a legal intern at Lexis & Company. Today in this video, I will be discussing one of the important or the most talkative topic in recent times, which is the concept of live-in relationship in India, and what is the legal position or the laws related to live-in relationship in India. So we will start with the introduction. Well, it is being truly said that the only thing which is constant in recent times or in the world is the change. The Indian society has observed a drastic change in its living pattern over a past few years. People are slowly and gradually developing themselves, opening their mind towards the idea of premarital sex and live-in relationship. However, this change has been continuously under criticism and it has been highly discussed as such concepts lack legality and acceptance by the society. So, what is live-in relationship? What is the meaning of a live-in relationship? Well, unlike marriage, in a live-in relationship, couples are not married to each other, but they live together under the same roof that resembles a relation like marriage. In other words, we can also say that it is a type of cohabitation, but the couples do not possess any legal rights towards each other. But on the same hand, I would say they live together like a couple, but they do not have any legal rights towards each other. In India, only those relationships which have a tag of marriage, or the couples who are legally wedded couple, considered to be a legitimate one, considered to be a legitimate couple. On the other hand, if I talk about live-in relationship, or if a couples are living together without marriage, then such relationship would be considered as an illegitimate one, because they are not married to each other, they are just living together without marriage. It is very important to understand the concept or the idea behind people preferring live-in relationship before marriage. Why is it very common in today's generation that they prefer to move into a live-in relationship before getting married to each other? Why? Because the concept or the idea or the reason behind people choosing live-in relationship is to check the compatibility between the couples, whether they are compatible with each other or not, whether they are able to cope up with the live-in standard of the each other or not. Now I would talk about the status of live-in relationship in India. Is it legal or is it illegal? What are the judgments on this topic, live-in relationship? So there is no particular law in the matter of live-in relationship in India. There is no enactment to lay down the rights and commitments for the parties in live-in relationship and for the status of a children born out of live-in relationship. There is no legal definition of live-in relationship in any act, and in this way the lawful status of such sort of connection is likewise unverified. But on the other hand, Honorable High Court and Supreme Court has clarified the concept of live-in relationship through various judgments, and now we will study few of those judgments. Idea of Supreme Court on live-in relationship. First, Supreme Court held that living together is not an offense. Second, no law in India prohibits a live-in relationship. It says that there is no enactment which promotes the live-in relationship, nor there is no enactment which prohibits a live-in relationship. So it is very neutral. There is no specific definition regarding the concept of live-in relationship. Neither it is mentioned anywhere that live-in relationship is prohibited in India. So Supreme Court in one of its important judgments laid down that living together is not an offense and no law in India prohibits the live-in relationship. Referring to Article 21, the Apex Court has observed living together falls under right to life also. Article 21 of Indian Constitution guarantees us right to live life with dignity and respect, and right to live together also falls under the ambit of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Supreme Court held that. In the case of Payal Sharma versus Nari Niketan 2001, the apex court has observed that man and women, even without getting married to each other, can live together if they wish so. This may be regarded as immoral by the society, but it is not illegal. The apex court also drew a line between law and morality and said that there is a difference between law and morality. Next case is in Kamini Devi versus State of UP. In Kamini Devi versus State of UP, the courts had earlier granted protection to a couple in live-in relationship, noting that if boy and girl both are major and they are living together with their free will, then nobody, including their parents, can interfere with their living together. Now, if I talk about the status of a children born out of live-in relationship, then earlier this child born out of live-in relationship was considered to be an illegitimate child having no legal rights in property or in inheritance. But Supreme Court, in one of its landmark judgment in the case of Vidyadhari versus Sukrana Bai, passed a landmark judgment wherein the court granted inheritance to the children born from the live-in relationship in question and ascribed them the status of legal heirs. So thank you. That's it for this video, and I will see you in my next video.